Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. A big thank you to my subscribers for tuning in, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on TikTok at Buttercup9601 for more hair inspiration. Today I'll be showing you my after wash routine and how I prepare my hair for these gorgeous mini twists. So after washing, I use the lock method, but I start with a growth oil from African Pride, then follow that up with a leave-in conditioner from Auntie Jackie. Then to seal in all the moisture, I use the anti-breakage cream from African Pride as well. So after I work all of those products in, I will leave that particular section in a twist, and just to speed up the drying process, I will stretch my hair using a cool hair dryer to ensure that I don't cause any heat damage. And I will also just keep the stretched portion of my hair in a twist so that it doesn't shrink. And I was so tired, guys. I did the parting and styling the next day, but I just make sure that my nails are filed so that I don't snag or snap at my hair when I handle it. This is my hair stretched out, and I'm just gonna take down the twists and start braiding my hair. And to part my hair, I actually put my hair in a very loose ponytail, lepondo, and I use a red tail comb to ensure that I have clean parts. And to figure out the amount of hair that I need in my twist, I just use my sense of touch. And I will start with 3 strands of my hair and make a braid, and then from there off I will ensure that those 3 strands form 2 equal strands so that I can start twisting and I don't borrow any more hair. And another trick that I've learned is to not twist up until the tips or the ends of your hair. You will just twirl the ends of your twists so that they don't unravel, but just twirl them around. So just to demonstrate, I start with 3 strands of my hair to make a braid, and once I braid somara, I don't know, 2-3 times, I will then merge those 3 strands into 2 equal strands so that I can start twisting. And yeah, then you just twist, and then when you get to the tip, then you just twirl. This method actually also works when you have short hair. I've done it when my hair was shorter. It just ensures that your twists don't unravel. So yeah, that's how I do it. Enjoy the process. And there you have it, beautiful mini twists ready to be styled. Please stay tuned for my upcoming YouTube shorts and TikTok videos where I'll be sharing how I style these twists for different looks. And let's engage in the comments. Would you try these mini twists? Have you tried them? How did they work out for you? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.